In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send feedback to Google Drive. If something in Drive isn't working quite right, or you've got a smart idea to make it better, sharing feedback directly with Google is quick and effective. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to click and what to include to make your message clear. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that to open the panel of Google services. From there, select Drive to open your Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you're experiencing the issue so your feedback is tied to the correct environment. Once Drive is open, look to the top right again for the question mark icon. That's the Help menu. Click it to open a small panel of support options. In that panel, choose Send Feedback to Google. This opens the feedback tool right inside Drive. You'll now see two paths: report an issue or suggest an idea. If you're dealing with something that's broken or behaving unexpectedly, choose Report an issue. If you have a feature request or usability improvement in mind, suggest an idea is the better fit. For this example, select Report an issue. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of issue from a list and to describe what's going on. Pick the option that best matches your situation, then write a clear, detailed description. Include what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. If it helps, add details like your browser and device, and note any steps that consistently reproduce the problem. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the team to investigate. You may see a screenshot preview attached automatically. This is useful context because it captures the page and interface at the time you open the tool. Use the on-screen tools to highlight relevant areas. And if you notice anything personal in the image, use the blackout feature to hide sensitive details before you send. When your description looks complete, click Next to review what you've included. Take a quick moment to double-check that your explanation is accurate and that you've protected any private information in the screenshot. Finally, click Send. Your feedback goes straight to the Google Drive team. You likely won't receive a personal reply, but rest assured it's used to improve the product and address issues more quickly. That's it. With just a few clicks and a clear explanation, you've successfully sent helpful feedback to Google Drive.